All right, everybody, Friday, January 22nd. We're at the job site. You see 3 vehicles, and that's because there's 3 people working. That's Kevin. This is Mike. And that really cool Buick over there. Where is it? Oh, is it hidden somewhere? There it is. Oh, God, that's such an amazing car. 6-cylinder supercharger. God, I think it's 20-some years old. Mint condition, owned by one older woman. EJ bought it, but that's not why we're here. So it's about 15 degrees. It's absolutely sunny. This is a classic sort of Midwest thing. If it gets really cold, you tend not to get snow. Things tend to get bright and sunny. Clear sky, as you see. Walking in the house, a lot of progress has been made. As you can see, Miguel, as we call him, has done a lot of the cabinets. This is the serving counter, and these cabinets continue to rock. Obviously, the lights come on. We don't have them installed or powered up yet, but we will. Some interesting features. This actually pops off and allows you to adjust the angle. I didn't know that. Just learned that today. And because of that, all these cabinet faces can be perfectly aligned when the time comes. Yeah, oh God, it's looking good. Amazing. Just amazing. Typical laser. Yeah, oh God. I can't tell you how much it's coming together. It's looking good. This cardboard's on the window because it obscures, because there's so much light coming in, it makes it hard to see the laser, which is used for leveling. Duh. Sink's gonna be here. Garbage is gonna be there. The peninsula, I think it's like 15 feet long, rough ballpark. This is the world's longest peninsula. Apparently a 747 can be cleared to land on this. I didn't know that because it's so long. It's almost better than Mitchell Airport. There will be some extensions, as time will show, that comes out here to support. We've got a very large overhang with quartz, and you hit a certain limit, you need more supports. Mike's already thinking about putting some additional low-profile supports here so that this large overhang, which was done because I want people to be able to sit here comfortably at the counter. It's all one level quartz, so they can be comfortably resting their arms here. Most overhangs are so short that tall guys tend to hit their knees on the backside of the cabinets, which makes it uncomfortable. You can actually sit here in the chair, have a nice area for your legs, see what's going on in the kitchen. And then, of course, griller station. You get to rotate, see the TV, see the dining room table. We'll see if the plan comes together. Kevin is doing trim work. He's, of course, being noisy. This is the molding, which is going to be put up here. Oh, God. Yeah, my jacket's falling off. But this is the idea. This is going to have the LED lights in this little area here. And then they will reflect up onto the ceiling, and that you'll have an indirect light. It won't be glary. Kevin and Mike have worked out a plan for putting the LED lights on the top of the cabinets. I didn't notice this, but Mike brought it up immediately, that since the room is so long, if you didn't have the molding up there, this molding, you'd end up being able to see what's on top of the cabinet. So these 2 geniuses came up with an idea of ripping this so that we have a continuous level all the way around. Cut this off, put it on top of the cabinets, and that way the lights are not visible from someone who's standing in this part of the room. It will reflect up, it'll look gorgeous, it'll be adjustable. As previously mentioned, we have 3 zones. We have the living room zone, we have the kitchen zone, then we have the hallway zone, so that each level can be adjusted independently of the other. Now, of course, the door is open. One of the reasons the door is open is because it's hot in here. And the guys have been slowly dropping the temp on the in-floor heat. But when you get a nice sunny day like this, it can jump the temperature up 5, 6 degrees. Oh, and here we have a Cameo by Lance. There's Lance.
Hi.
He's a general contractor. I've mentioned him about 1,000,000 times. Yeah. So we'll walk around a little more. I'll show you what's going on. Pocket doors, partially installed. We're now in the mudroom. And you can see there's a little peninsula here. I tried to explain that in the past. But the idea is you come in, you sit down, you take off your booties. You can then bring stuff in and put it on top of this peninsula as the first place. Second spot it will go is right there. You can also go over here. This is where the outside or garage water supply is going to be. These are supply lines. These are the hose bibs. Because of course we have water in the garage here, so you can wash your cars in complete comfort. Doors are getting installed. Trim is getting done. Yeah. It's looking good. Oh, and here are the cabinets in the guest bathroom. Man, that's one big, tall cabinet. I guess I'm too close to it. So you come in, sink, drawers, illuminated as well. Every drawer has lights in it. The cabinets don't have lights, but every drawer does. And once we get them powered up, you'll get to see the drawers open with lights coming on. It's going to get kind of noisy because Kevin is cutting. This is EJ doing his magic. And he's doing his assembly area. He's so quick, it just blows my mind. One advantage of this garage is it provides a great space for all the materials to be stored and provides a nice area for assembly so people don't have to be shoulder to shoulder. Apparently that's well liked by all the subs. The scaffolding is gone. The installation guys took it yesterday. This weekend, Brian and I are going to bring in all the flooring, which has been out in the shipping containers. That's those big things out there. Those are the shipping containers. And we're going to put it in here, out of the way. Here's the storage tank, 44-gallon tank that is for the well. It's going to be sitting in this room, 44 gallons. The plumber should have been installing it today, but apparently they had a plumbing emergency. It is 15 degrees outside, so you expect emergencies in really cold weather. Pipes do freeze in the Midwest. That takes priority. So it looks pretty good. I'm happy. It's exciting to see this kind of progress being made and getting to see all the design elements that were initially planned come into reality. So there will be washer dryer, there'll be some shelving units here, there'll be a cabinet, there'll be a platform for people to sit, change their shoes, the peninsula. It's all good. Come into the area, the serving counter, the peninsula. Yeah. And now I found out today from Mike that should my mood change, because you know how moody I am, the cabinet faces and the sides can be removed 5 years now, 10 years from now. And actually with the screws here, you can replace these with different colors. I don't think I'll ever do that, but it's nice to know. Incredibly adjustable. And lights there. So when you have work to do, yeah, more lights there. The whole space can be illuminated so that you're not casting a shadow because of the light overhead. There'll be the lights up there for the indirect lighting, as previously mentioned. Bathroom. Door's been installed. Initial cabinet set up so that we can make sure that we have the right dimensions for the sink. As previously mentioned, this cabinet is 24 inches deep. It should be 21. So Mike is going to cut 3 inches off here, so it ends up being 21, so it doesn't interfere with the trim piece there. Yeah. This is Kevin's office. The other finished carpenter. Ooh. We've got some trim installed. Oh, very nice. On the window frame. Oh yeah, that'll look great. Pocket door, I'll just gently play with it. Oh, that's great. Pocket door closes. Privacy in the bathroom if you need it. Pocket door opens. It'll be open 99% of the time because you're gonna walk into the bathroom, sit down, do your thing, go back into the bedroom. Another pocket door here for the closet. Once again, same concept. Don't really need a door because I'm going into my closet. Go into the closet, do the closet thing. Oh, this Sunday I'm going with a friend. We're gonna look at California cabinets or whatever they're called. Seems to be important to some people. I could have a pole and shelf and I'd be fine. Just got interrupted by a phone call. So here's the outer door for the tornado room. Here's a temporary inner door. Like we said, it's gonna be 2 doors. The outer door matches every other door in the house so that when people come down the hallway, they just see a closet, and that's all it is. But since it's a tornado room, we wanna have a second door for security, and they don't make security doors that look like this. Kevin is doing his cutting in here. And he's laying out these little pieces here so he can put his trim down. You can see that. Oh, it's so bright and sunny outside. These guys are amazing to watch. They do such incredible work. Another pocket door. There will be a traditional door here. We'll do our usual check to see what we're doing in terms of heat. Well, it's hard for you to see, but the heat is not on. That's a function of the sun coming through the windows. The thing that says modulation is actually how much heat is being put out by this burner. No heat's being put out by the burner. The house is a comfy temp. We've got, including myself, 4 people in the building. Lance is gone. It's about 330 BTUs per person per hour. So you're looking at what? 3 times that, that's about 1,320 BTUs per hour of heat being brought out by human beings. And then we have all the heat that's being brought in by the windows, which previously mentioned, gets this place pretty warm. Yeah, looking good. So, and once again, the door is open because there is so much heat retention in this building that you need an alternate source of cool air. The heat recovery ventilators are not running, which would solve the problem. They cycle in X amount of outside air or inside air. So, looking good. Another sunny, cold day, but you're not cold inside the house. And that's about it. I'll leave you all alone. Oh, it's cold out here. Oh, that wind is coming from the west. It's cold. So I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're having a good time in life. If you have any questions, let me know. Love you all. Bye.